What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacey on the Days channel. If you're new here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. You're all welcome back to my old subscribers as well, and my silent watchers. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for being here. Yes guys, as you all see what's going on here, this was the flood, the hurricane, and as y'all can see, the place is flood out in Carolina. Yes guys, as you all can see, it was a dangerous hurricane. Yes, a lot of houses has been flooded out. The roads are blocked and stuff like that. Yeah, fallen trees have caused the road to be blocked as well. Yes guys, so just check it out guys. Remember guys, if you're new here for the first time, please to go ahead and subscribe. After you do so, please to turn on your post notification bell. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Look at those kids there guys. Oh my, I remember when I was a kid as well, and I see water like those. Even though I can't swim, it was fun to walk through that water.